Welcome to ClearConsent, privacy compliance built right into your Shopify store. With one click, it runs a deep scan, loading your storefront like a real browser to catch trackers a static scan would miss, and checks you against 20-plus global privacy laws. Let's see what it finds. First, it flagged that no privacy policy was detected yet. That's the brown notice up top and a key gap to close. Here's your overall score: 21%, with every log rated on its own. It found 5 trackers and 10 cookies on the store, and 19 of the privacy laws apply here. Installing your free banner takes just one click. Shopify asks for one last step, so click Enable on your store. Your theme editor opens. Do you switch the Clear Consent banner on? Then click Save, up in the top corner, and your banner goes live on your store. And you're back in Clear Consent, so click Update My Score. Your store is rescanned and your compliance score climbs. You've hit the free plan's limit, so start your 7-day Pro trial. Pro adds a privacy policy, a banner designer, the auto blocker, and full reports for a flat $9 a month. Pick your plan and approve. Your subscription activates. You're on Pro. Click Open Clear Consent, and your store refreshes and rescans into the setup wizard. First, design your banner, a bar across the page or a pop-up in the corner. Set your consent rules. Opt out for U.S. state laws or strict opt-in for GDPR, then add your business details. A quick review and one-click installs everything: your privacy policy, the banner, a do not sell link, and global privacy control. Clear Consent applies your new Pro privacy policy and rescans your store, and your compliance score climbs again. Now let's explore the Pro dashboard. Every scan you run is saved under Reports. Recheck compliance anytime. And for each report, view the full breakdown, see what changed, export to PDF or Excel, or remove it. Open one for the full report: your score, the privacy signals, every tracker and cookie, and the laws that apply. This is the banner designer. Under Design, pick a theme, and then fine-tune position, colors, shape, animation, and font. Content sets the wording, your banner title, the accept, decline, and preferences buttons, and the body text. Advanced switches consent mode and takes your own custom CSS with a full snippet and selector reference. Management runs the cookie categories, analytics, preferences, and marketing, plus branding, and how the policy opens. And script management is the auto blocker. Add your Google, Meta, or TikTok IDs, and they're held until visitors consent. Open your privacy policy with View and Edit. Pro generates the whole thing for you, section by section: data collection, third-party trackers, your state and GDPR rights, retention, and more. Edit any section's wording right here and push the change straight to your store. Or switch to your own and paste a full custom policy instead. Either way, it's hosted, kept in sync, and yours to control. The Compliance tab, your dashboard score comes from the scan alone. Switch on full compliance scoring to add your own business practice answers. Answer each one. Yes, no, or not applicable. They're self-attested, so only you can confirm them. Save, and your answers refine each law's score to better reflect how your store really operates. Your Account tab, your current plan, billing, and business details. Change your plan anytime. Compare free and pro side by side and upgrade or downgrade whenever you choose. And help, FAQs, the full privacy law list, and a message form straight to support. And that's your complete compliance setup. Now let's see it live on your store, your banner and privacy policy in action. ClearConsent also adds a privacy widget to every page, so shoppers can opt out of data sales, the do not sell right, in one click. They can reopen their cookie preferences anytime too. And your full privacy policy is right there, readable in a clean pop-up covering the laws that apply to your store. Or open it as its own hosted page. That's ClearConsent, compliance scoring, a cookie banner, and your privacy policy, all in one app.